Network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing, MLM, is a business model where individuals sell products directly to consumers, earning commissions on sales made through their own networks. It's significant in today's economy as it allows for flexible work schedules and the potential for substantial income without the need for large startup costs. The benefits include personal development, entrepreneurship opportunities, and passive income streams. The history of network marketing dates back to the early 20th century and has evolved into a global industry embracing digital platforms and e-commerce to expand its reach. Starting in network marketing requires careful planning and decision-making. The first step is to choose the right company by evaluating its reputation, products, and compensation plan. Understanding the product or service is crucial as it builds credibility and enables you to effectively communicate its benefits to customers. Research is vital to grasp market demand and competition. Training is equally important as it enhances your skills in sales, marketing, and customer relations. Ongoing education and development provide the tools needed to succeed and grow your business within the network marketing model. Building your network in network marketing relies on effective methods to expand your reach and connections. Utilizing social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn helps you connect with a larger audience and share valuable content. Hosting events, whether online webinars or in-person meetings, creates opportunities to present your products and recruit new members. Engaging with prospects through personalized communication builds relationships and trust. The importance of follow-ups cannot be overstated, as consistent follow-ups with potential leads and current customers help maintain interest and solidify your network, ultimately driving growth and success. Effective sales and marketing strategies are essential in network marketing. Crafting a compelling sales pitch is the first step. It should be clear, concise, and tailored to address the needs and concerns of your audience. Utilizing testimonials from satisfied customers builds credibility and trust. Demonstrating your product's features and benefits through live or recorded presentations can significantly enhance understanding and appeal. Cross-selling techniques involve recommending related products that complement the initial purchase, thereby increasing sales. Employing digital marketing strategies such as SEO, email campaigns, and social media promotions amplifies your reach and engagement, driving overall business growth. Maintaining and growing your network is crucial for long-term success in network marketing. Retention is key. Ensure your network stays engaged by consistently providing value through education, support, and resources. Incentivizing referrals by offering rewards or commissions encourages your network to bring in new members. Actively seeking and leveraging feedback allows you to improve your offerings and address any concerns. To scale your business, focus on expanding your reach through strategic marketing efforts and cultivating a strong, motivated team. Continuous growth and improvement within your network will lead to sustained success and profitability.